Hello my friends, how are y'all doing today? This is not going to be a project video, just dropping a quick note. Right after Christmas, I caught the coronavirus, actually for the second time. The first time it didn't affect me too much because I've had my shots and my booster and all that good stuff. But this time it really put a whomp in me. I've had a cough that I've been fighting with antibiotics for about 3 weeks now. And I lost the taste and of smell and just downright not feeling good. So I hadn't been able to put any videos out. And I've got several I'm working on, some projects out in the shop there. So I just wanted to let you guys know. I feel so obligated. It means so much to me to get the videos out for y'all and to talk with you and chat with you. It's such a pleasure, and I'm honored, I truly am, to be able to do this with you guys. It's just one of the big highlights in my life right now. It really is. But guys, I'm hoping that, things get better here real soon. I've been feeling a lot better. Been doing okay. I was able to come into the office today, so that's why I'm doing this today. I've got a couple of things going on in the shop. So I'll give y'all a look-see at that real quick. And over the last couple of years, I've been asked, probably a dozen times, and again recently in the last day or two, about this little tape measure rack that I have in the shop. And it's nothing more than a simple bent piece of metal. So I thought I'd take a quick minute and show it, since I don't think I ever really have paid any attention to it. And a few other projects I've got going on out in the shop. Alrighty, so let me show you guys that. And again, I apologize, my friends. I've just been a little bit under the weather. But you know what I say, right? I'll be back. I promise. Y'all have probably seen this many times. But this is mounted above my center workbench. And several people have asked me about it. What kind of rack that was. And it's nothing more than a thin, like an 1/8 inch piece of aluminum 1-inch bar that I bent and screwed up to the ceiling because it will hold the clips on the tape and it keeps them right above me. And why is there so many tapes? Well, the tapes are different. Some are metric, some are what's called flat backs, or what do you call it? Soft, they bend, and so on. But anyway, he was asking where they could buy these racks. And you don't need to buy it. Like I say, it's a flat little piece of aluminum bar, bent up, and the clips on all the tape measures work great for holding your tapes right above where you need them. And here's another one that's mounted flat to the pegboard. And this one I didn't have to bend because I just drilled 2 holes in the end of the bar, stuck a shim behind it like a nut or something, and it does the same thing. It makes a great holding rack for the tape measures. And this little casting just came out of the resin, the pressure pot. Look at the pattern in this, guys. See if I can get y'all to see that. That's what you can't create without a pressure pot. A heating torch will get out bubbles, but you'd never create a pattern in the resin like that with your colors unless you put it under pressure. And believe it or not, contrary to everybody else's beliefs, my pressure pot that I can get up to 80 pounds does the best job. 50 pounds, 40 pounds, that all works. The 80 pounds does wonderful. Look how big this casting is. It's about 8-10 inches by 8-10 inches tall. And there's not an imperfection in it. And that's the results I get every time with 80 pounds of pressure in the pressure pot. And I'm getting ready to start on this. This is going to be a bar countertop for a friend. That is a piece of cedar, about 2 inches thick, 20 inches wide. Right now it's about 9 foot long. He wants a live edge finish with a little bit of finesse to it. So I'm getting started on that one. Alrighty, my friends, I'm going to go back to the medicine and get all bettered up here. go let the doctor take good care of me. Okay, so y'all stay safe, guys. And believe me, I go out of my way to stay safe, hands clean and the mask and everything. And that sucker still got me. So y'all do your best and stay real safe so we can all get through this, okay? And I'll see you in a little bit, my friends. And again, I promise I'll be back. Bye now.